Hi everyone, the small engine mechanic here. I'm not sure why people would want to spend hundreds of dollars for a new pressure washer pump every year. They're just throwing their money away. It's simple. Just go on Amazon, and look up the Briggs & Stratton Pump Saver. You can get it for around 20 bucks. To use it, just thread the hose end to the pump where your water hose would go. Make sure the discharge or pressure hose is disconnected and drained. Step 1 is complete. Step 2. Just push the button on the top of the can until the foam comes out of the discharge side of the pump. It should come out like shaving cream. Let it sit for a minute, so it can expand. Step 3. Disconnect the hose from the pump. And, that's it. You have lubricated and winterized your pump. You can get up to 20 uses from one can. Now, for those that have a heated garage and don't think you need to do this. Here's what can happen during storage. The minerals in your water will leave a deposit on the plungers. And when they move again, it could cause damage to the high-pressure seals and will cause the pump to leak. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell to be notified of more tips and how-to videos. So, hopefully, this will help someone save a lot of money. And with this done,
it looks like another one is good to go.